Automated revision rack position. Room temperature module. Floor strength quantitative position. Deep well fed magnetic module. PCR well fed magnetic suction module. Shaking module. Waste to liquid tank. Transmitting position. Floor sense quantitative position. PCR sleeving plate. PCR template. When the experiment is started, only a few steps are required. Load module consumables manually according to the diagram. Deep hole plate, sample, PCR plate, sealing plate, alloy manifold. Carefully identify the unique number of the sequencing kit. Enter the corresponding chip number and serial number. Load sequencing slides, sequencing kits. The manual operation can be completed within 5 minutes. One click is done. You can complete the fully automatic process. There is no intervention in the middle process. The WHSEQAIOCN realizes no process automation. From sample loading, pre-elaboration, hybrid capture, DNP preparation to data analytics. No intervention throughout the process.